Welcome back, everybody, to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight ETFs with massive momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering the abrdn Physical Silver Shares ETF, ticker SIVR, a physically backed fund holding actual silver bullion in vaults, designed to closely track the spot price of silver minus a low 0.30% expense ratio. 2025 has been historic for silver. The metal hit record highs near $79 per ounce this December, driven by industrial demand, supply constraints, and precious metals tailwinds. SIVR has captured it all, delivering year-to-date returns exceeding 148%, with some tracking over 160%, including recent surges. Just this week, shares rocketed on December 26, closing at $74.66, up sharply amid the latest silver price breakout on heavy volume, with silver's bull run showing no signs of stopping into 2026. SIVR offers direct exposure to the standout commodity. More records ahead? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or diversify. Like for more commodity ETF breakdowns, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.